Hi everyone, Mom Chris here. This video's got two intros because I didn't like the way the first one started, but I'm not gonna redo it all because it's an unboxing. I accidentally ordered something off of Wish. Something that I seen start at $70 and quickly jumped to $200. There's not many videos on YouTube or anything like that, but somehow I got like 3 of them in my shopping cart, deleted 2, went to show somebody what I was looking at, got 2 in my shopping cart, and when I went to delete one of them, it says if I exit out of my cart, I will lose my discount code. So I went, no, I don't want to exit out. I want to get this discount code because it was $115, and with my discount, I got it down to like $108 or something like that. Yep, still, it's a whole lot better than $200. So next thing I know, I went, don't exit out of it, and I went to the next screen, and it said, thank you for your purchase. It was something I didn't want to buy that moment because we were on vacation, and just in case bad stuff happened, which it did, I needed that little extra money. I wanted to buy a new RV camp, the ground mat. Yeah, so I got the RV camper mat as well as what I'm going to show you. So I'm going to stop talking now because my unboxing and review are all next. This thing is awesome. Still glad I got it, but it could have waited. But with all kids coming camping, it's still a good thing to have. So I will let you watch my unboxing and review of my Oops purchase off of Wish. Okay, this is my Oops purchase from Wish. Let's see what we got here. All right, let's get this bad boy open. Let's see here. It's a washing machine. Sorry about the finger. It's got a little... When I say this is a Oops purchase, I really do mean it. There's the drain tube. And my husband has some socks that he keeps leaving on the floor. We might get and wash them. Who needs instructions? Okay, I'm set up in the bathroom. And I already have laundry soap and water filled in. Not a lot. I'm not going to try a lot. I'm going to try my husband's Salkies that he keeps leaving everywhere. A couple of wash rags. And just to show everybody how much I trust this thing, I'm going to throw in my work shirt. See if I got enough water. Holy moly. His suckies were dirty. Yuck. Okay. And then we're going to go, just for the fun of it. Oh, guess what? It might help if I actually had some power. Yeah, let's try that one. Holy. Alright, someone said you can lift the lid. Alright, I'm going to pause this so I can do a review on Wish. That is freaking awesome. Okay, it's been going for 15 minutes. I probably should have put a little bit more water in there. Now let's drain this thing. Maybe. Well, forgive the sink, that's some dirty water. And I had to make sure I put it on drain. Let me put that down there. Oh, I can't do that. Alright, anyways, it's not getting on the floor. Ugh. Forgive the toothpaste splatter. Alright, be back when it's all drained out. Okay, put cleaner water in there. Let's set the timer. Put lots more water in it this time. Oh, that's still yucky water. Might have to rinse it out a third time, or a second time, or a fourth time. Alright, let's just let it go and do its thing. 15 minutes. Okay, now that I've gotten all the soap out, it's time for the spin cycle. And the instructions are horrible. So let's put them all in there. It doesn't say anything about the top piece. I did not realize I put that many dirty socks in there. And trust me, as many times as I rinsed it, that water was dirty. Okay, that's it. So it says to take this and put it on top so nothing pops out of the side. But I'm not sure, it doesn't say if we're supposed to leave it here. Let's see here. Oh, yep, there's a little bit of water coming out. It does stop when you lift it. Okay, so in the very limited instructions, it says you might have to repeat this a couple of times. So I will repeat a couple of times and show you what the end result is. Okay, so I spun it twice. Got no water out the second time. And the clothes are next to dry. There's like no water in there at all. I had to rinse it quite a few times because I put too much soap in there. Oh, both of my work shirts are in there. They smell clean. Okay. So does this thing really work like Bunny says? It definitely does. So that's my review on this little portable washing machine. Put it all back in there. Hi. So there's my review. I think this thing is awesome. The spin could hold a little bit more clothes since we have such a big tank that we can put stuff in. That needs to be able to hold them all. But I'm going to get these put in the dryer since I'm not going to be camping for a while. I'm not putting them on the clothesline. This is what happens when I put it on the soft setting. It's just a more gentle agitation than if I put it on the normal one. I'll show you. So it's soft agitation or hard agitation. I threw my shirts and mask back in there just to show you the difference in settings. Okay, so that is my review and unboxing, or unboxing and review. That little washing machine is worth it. If you have a small place to live, or you're just kind of throwing in a couple little things to hurry, it's worth it. I'm going to do the bucket one next. All right, bye everybody, have fun.